Hello, my name is Dr. Antigoni Lykotrafiti. I would like to introduce you to the module International Shipping Law. The module is taught by Miriam Goldby, who is Professor of Shipping, Insurance and Commercial Law at the Center for Commercial Law Studies and the Director of the LLM in International Maritime Law Program, Dr. Filip Saranovic, who is an expert in shipping law, and myself. The International Shipping Law module is a 30-credit module that runs from October to April each year. The content of the module is delivered in 20 3-hour weekly lectures. The module covers 3 areas essential to any lawyer seeking to embark on a career in shipping law, namely charter parties, carriage of goods, and wet shipping law. What does each of these 3 areas involve? A charter party contract is essentially a contract to rent a ship. The charter may be for a specific voyage, called a voyage charter party, or a period of time, called a time charter party. We will examine how charter parties are negotiated, the basic principles governing the parties' relationship, including their essential rights and obligations, the distinct considerations and standard terms which apply to the different types of charter parties, various model contracts and their practical application, and the consequences of and remedies for breach and frustration. By contrast, in carriage of goods, the focus is not on contracts about ships, but contracts about the transportation of cargo. Contracts for the carriage of goods by sea are regulated by international treaties. While various conventions have been drafted and adopted by international organizations over the years, the most widely applicable regime is the Hague and Hague-Visby regime, and we will be focusing mainly on it in this part of the course. Contracts for the carriage of goods lead to the issue of a document by the carrier to the shipper. If the document issued is a bill of lading, its lawful holder can claim possession of the goods and enforce the contract of carriage because it is a transferable document of title, enabling the goods to be sold whilst in transit. This part of the course will also examine how contracts for the carriage of goods by sea work within a door-to-door transport context that involves also other modes of transport. Wet shipping law covers all the legal issues that might arise while a vessel and its cargo are at sea, arising from incidents of various types. We will cover in detail collisions at sea, the law of salvage, the problematic area of wreck removal, the complex area of marine pollution, incidents of piracy at sea, including the modern employment of armed guards, and the importance and computation of general average adjustments. We will also organize various guest talks from practitioners active in the shipping industry. The module is assessed by an essay to be submitted in January and a written exam, which you will sit in May. Students will have the opportunity to do a formative assessment prior to the exam and receive individualized feedback that will help them prepare for their summative assessment. The module is relevant not only for students on the LLM in International Maritime Law, but also for students on the Commercial and Corporate Law program and the International Business Law program. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to see you in class.